everyone, this is Ellie Sparkles, and we're here with Punk Boy. And he has a guitar, just like Miguel from the Coco movie. Give me a big thumbs up if you love to hear Miguel from Coco play his guitar.
It's my super special guitar. Later, I'm going to have a guitar playing contest with Spice. She thinks that she's better at playing guitar, but I'm going to show her that boys are way better at guitar.
That sounds like a fun game. But before you do your challenge with Spice, you have to eat your lunch.
No fair! All these boys and girls walking and waiting for me to play guitar. I have to go beat Spice at another challenge, just like I always do.
Hey, look everyone, it's Spice. Hi Spice, how are you?
Hi Ellie, I'm doing great because I'm about to win an easy peasy challenge. We don't listen to this silly boy. I'm going to show everyone that girls are way better at playing guitar. Punk boy, you have to eat your poor baby. So I guess you can't play. It's my guitar now. Hey, she took my guitar. That wasn't nice. Let me go, let me get her.
You can go get it, but first, Punk Boy, you have to eat lunch. If you're a really good boy and eat your food like a big boy, then we'll also get you a surprise toy. Does that sound good? Now what should we get to eat? And how about a nice warm milk bottle?
Ew, no way. Milk bottles are for babies. I want grown-up food because I'm a big boy, not a baby.
Oh, and I know the perfect food for you, Punk Boy. A McDonald's Happy Meal.
Yay, I love McDonald's. I can't wait to see what I got in my Happy Meal.
First thing that you get is French fries. Here, why don't you have a fry, Punk Boy? Aren't they so tasty? Wow, you're eating it so fast. Now you want more? Sure thing. Let's get all of them out. Fries? I'll take those. Delicious.
Hey, those are my fries. That's not fair. Spice took my French fries, Ellie.
That's okay, Punk Boy. It wasn't nice, but we have more food for you. And it's all yours. So let's take a look at what else is in the Happy Meal. What about some chicken McNuggets? Have one first and see if you like it. I know you will. They're one of my favorites. Oh, you're already eating it all. What a good boy. Well, let's eat some more of those. These are my chicken McNuggets now. Yummy in my tummy.
No, not my chicken McNuggets. I love those. Ellie, she keeps taking my food. Now what am I supposed to eat?
Oh well, don't worry, Punk Boy. You still have more. A cheeseburger. Best part of the Happy Meal, isn't it? Oh boy. I bet you want a bite of this. Punk Boy sure does love the cheeseburgers from Happy Meals. I can't wait to eat more of it. This time, I'll make sure that Spice doesn't steal his cheeseburger. It's very naughty to take other people's things, especially their food. Spice already had her own Happy Meal today. Punk Boy's being so good eating his cheeseburger. Now, all done. Good job, Punk Boy. Now you get to open the surprise toy. Let's see what toy came in the Happy Meal. It's an Incredibles 2 toy. That's awesome. Which Incredibles character do we get? It's Incredible! That's so lucky! He's one of the best characters ever! Mr. Incredible is the strongest superhero. He has big muscles and he can lift almost anything. Like big giant rocks! Punk Boy is going to love playing with this amazing Mr. Incredible toy. But it's not the only surprise toy he got. He also got something else. Let's see what it could be. It's a Squish Delish surprise. These are so squishy. And they also have crazy shapes. And we got a crazy icky bug. Wow, looks like this one needs to go to the doctor. Maybe Doc with stuffings. It's pink and its swirly eyes are totally silly. But even funnier than that, it's so squishy. Wow, this could be one of the squishiest ever. Punk Boy loves his new toy so much. Okay, Punk Boy, since you were such a good boy, we have someone here that wants to give you something. Go ahead, girl.
Hi, Punk Boy. I'm kinda... Okay, I'm really sorry for stealing your guitar. It wasn't nice, and I shouldn't have taken your food either. I'm ready to give the guitar back. And maybe we can have your guitar challenge now. That would be fun.
That was so nice of Spice to give you back your guitar, wasn't it? See? Everyone can do kind things for one another. Isn't it great? Hi everyone, this is Ellie Sparkles. We're here in bedroom. She's having one of her friends come over to play today. Hi, Boss Queen. Are you excited?
Yes, I can't wait. I have so many fun things planned for my best friend. My friends always have so much fun when they play at my house. Did you hear that? That must be my friend now. It's Dusk, my new best friend ever. I'm so happy you came over, Dusk. I have so many plans for us today. Let's see. We're going to clean my room. You can help me with my homework. And then we can even organize my toys. Doesn't that sound like so much fun? Now, I have to leave to go watch my favorite TV show. While I'm watching TV, you can start cleaning my room and I'll be right back. Have fun! See you soon! Oh, I don't feel well.
You don't look so good, Dusk. And even your hair is blonde. Okay, LOL fans, do you know what color Dusk's hair normally is? What's wrong, Dusk?
It's fine. I don't think cleaning her bedroom is that much fun. I guess that's why she's called Boss Queen. Ugh, my tummy is hurting.
Aw, poor Dusk. But wait, I have an idea. Let's go get something to eat and see if that helps you feel better. Let's go. Okay, let's see what is there to eat. How about your bottle? Have a sip.
No, I don't want a bottle. I want big girl food, not a baby bottle. Hey, Dusk, what are you doing here? I thought we were going to have fun cleaning my room. Let's get out of here and get to cleaning.
Sorry, Boss Queen. Dusk is hungry. She needs to eat something before she plays.
Oh, okay. Just make it quick. I have so many fun things to do with my best friend Dusk today.
Okay, Dusk, now it's time to eat. I know you're hungry, but you don't want your bottle. I know. How about a super yummy lunch? A McDonald's Happy Meal. Okay, LOL fans, give me a big thumbs up if you want to see Dusk eat a Happy Meal. First up, some French fries. McDonald's fries are the best. Here you go, Dusk. Try some. Wow, she really loves French fries. There is a lot more left to eat.
Fries! Did I smell fries? Awesome! I love fries. They're my favorite. Do you mind if I borrow these? Thanks.
Hey, Boss Queen took all the French fries. But don't worry, let's see what else is hiding in here that Boss Queen hasn't taken. Hey, look, it's chicken McNuggets. These are even better than fries. There are 4 in here. Try the first one, Dusk. Nice! Dusk loves chicken nuggets too. I think she's starting to feel better.
Did someone say McDonald's chicken McNuggets? Oh boy, those are my favorite. These will go perfect with my French fries. Thanks. You're such a good friend, Dusk.
Oh no! Boss Queen is taking all of our food. I hope there is more food in this Happy Meal. Let's take a look. Wow, look at this! It's the best food of all. It's a cheeseburger. All confetti pop dolls love cheeseburgers the most. And the coolest part is unwrapping it. Just like a layer of an LOL surprise. Here, have a big bite of your burger, Dusk.
Oh boy, cheeseburgers! My favorite! You're so nice getting me a burger too!
Sorry, Boss Queen, not this time. This is just for Dusk, not you.
Hey, that's not fair! I never get any food. I'm hungry.
Sorry, Boss Queen. We'll bring her another burger later. Whoa, she ate that so fast. Good job, Dusk. And look, her color is coming back. Her hair turned to her normal black and purple. She must have been really hungry. I'm so glad Dusk was able to eat some lunch. She's getting better already. And since Dusk was such a good girl, let's open some Happy Meal surprise toys. The first Happy Meal toy is a Molan push and peel surprise. Wow, I've never seen one of these toys before. These are really fun because there are steps to open them, just like a confetti pop LOL surprise. Let's get started. The first step is to pull. There we go. Then we have to pop the top just like the instructions say, like this. Nice! That was so amazing! This looks like a bunny top. Whoa! It's filled with a bunch of shiny confetti! That's the best! And here is a flyer that shows all the toys we can collect. It also comes with the surprise bag. Aw, it's a little bunny tag that we can hang on stuff. That is so adorable. Now we need to go to our next step and open more surprises. To get to our next surprise, we have to push up this white handle. Let's see. It looks like a white bunny. To find out what's inside, we have to peel back the paper. And there is a secret message on it. What does it say? Best friends make the good times better and the hard times easier. That is so true. Best friends are, well, the best. Now, what toy did we get? It's a hamburger. That must mean this one is from the fast food collection. It's a burger just like Dusk ate. Only this one has a bunny face on it. How funny! I can't wait to open something else. We have to push another layer up to reveal a chocolate bunny. Then we peel back the secret message to read it. This one says, I hate it when I'm singing a song and the artist gets the words wrong. That's so silly. Now, what toy is in here? I think I see pepperoni. It's a pizza. Pizza is one of the best foods ever. What's your favorite kind of pizza? Pepperoni Meatball? Let me know in the comments. It's time for us to open another layer. What is the message? I'm so good at sleeping. I can do it with my eyes closed. What a silly thing to say. Everyone sleeps with their eyes closed. It's a milkshake. Milkshakes are so yummy. It's like ice cream that you can drink. So tasty and cold. But what else can we get? And review the strawberry ice cream bunny next. I love reading the messages. And this one says, don't give up on your dreams, keep sleeping. Someone really likes to sleep. Now, what special food could we possibly get next? A French fries chick. He looks so cute, but he's also made of French fries. That makes me so hungry. Now only one more layer to go. What could it be? Let's push the handle one last time. This layer is a vanilla one with sprinkles. What could our last toy be? A hot dog bunny. Oh my goodness, that is super silly. It's a bunny dressed up like a giant hot dog. That's a good Halloween costume, isn't it? Dusk is going to love these. Let's take them to her and put them on her high chair.
Oh boy, you have toys too? Sorry for being so bossy before. Do you think I could have a toy too?
I think we have one more toy left in our Happy Meal. So let's see what it is. Nice! It's a new Shopkins Wild Style blind box. These are the best because there is a special box inside. Which one will we get? I see pink. It's a fluffy pink kitty cat box. I love kitty cats. But which Shopkins is she hiding? The first one is color cake from the Rainbow Dreamers tribe. Rainbow cakes are the best because they have all the colors on them. This cake has 3 yellow candles on it. How special! But what other Shopkins did we get? It's Primrose pancakes from the Heart and Seekers tribe. The heart-shaped stack of pancakes with pink syrup reminds me of my favorite breakfast. We sure did have a lot of food today. Here are all your toys, Dusk.
I want to share with my best friend. Thanks, Dusk. You're the best.
Remember, guys, best friends make the good times better and the hard times easier. They share and don't boss each other around. I'm glad everyone learned something today. It was a good day. We got McDonald's Happy Meal and awesome new toys. Do you want to go on another LOL adventure with me? If you do, click on one of the videos on the screen to have more fun with the confetti pop dolls. Maybe we'll bump into one of our newest friends like Black Tie, Can Do Girl, Boss Queen, VR Cutie. I can't wait!